There's always been a really strong connection between Lincoln and the world of art and design. So the art installation is an intentional deviation from a traditional advertising campaign.
The brief asked us to take the ethos of Lincoln design and the design of the Nautilus and create a public art installation. And I think this is a case where we were able to do that, and then we were able to add new things that we haven't done before. So from far away, you'll see a series of 95 poles. They're all made out of aluminum and steel and acrylic. As they walk up to the installation and they touch one of the poles, it will activate that pole, and along with it, a sound that is based on their unique touch. It produces a kind of symphony that is generated in real time.
With this collaboration, we knew we wanted to really evoke a sense of responsiveness and control.
One of the things that interests us in terms of the Nautilus was how the technology can be used to empower design and empower people.
Each individual that interacts with the installation is in control, and they control the outcome.
And then it becomes more playful, something where they're also now authoring the experience. The Seaport is a great venue for this project because it's such a public space. One side is Manhattan, the other side you have the backdrop of Brooklyn.
After its run at Seaport, we want to bring the installation back home to Detroit. It's the birthplace of Lincoln.
I think the hope that I would have is that people begin to ask those less direct questions. Why would a car company pair with a designer to produce an interactive art installation? What can the technology that's in this car do that's different than what I would normally think of it doing?